How to connect the JBL Go 3 Bluetooth speaker with a Windows 11 computer, desktop, or laptop. Let's get started. Because this is your first time doing this, you want to go into the startup menu here and then go to where it says settings. So click on settings, and while in the main settings of your Windows 11 computer here, you'll go to where it says Bluetooth and devices right here on the left side. So click on that once, you'll see these set of options show up here for you. And once they show up, you want to go to Bluetooth and turn on the Bluetooth settings. This will make your computer discoverable to nearby Bluetooth devices. And if this switch is not there for some odd reason, check your device manager settings and see if the Bluetooth adapter needs to be enabled or updated. After you do this, go to where it says add a device. You'll click it. This will show up. You want to go to where it says Bluetooth, this option right here. As you do that, it's going to start searching for nearby devices, which are Bluetooth devices. And now on your JBL Go 3 speaker here, you're going to go ahead and press the power button one time. That'll turn on your speaker, and to get it into pairing mode, you'll press the Bluetooth icon button right here. You'll hear this tone sound play twice. This means your speaker is now in pairing mode, and it should show up under the Add a Device section. After you do this, click on it. It'll say connecting, and give it a few seconds. You'll hear that sound from the speaker itself, and means you're fully connected. Now, to get your sound to come out of your JBL Go 3, if it's not coming out from there, what you can do is go down to the bottom right section where the volume panel is. You'll see these set of options show up, and where the volume panel slider is, click on this arrow right here. You'll see these options show up here, and you want to make sure it's set under speakers, JBL Go 3. And if the volume panel is not there for some odd reason, you can always come back here where these set of options are on the left side. Go to System, then go to Sound, and you can choose the output right here as speakers, JBL Go 3 right here, okay? And that's that. So like, sub, and thanks for watching.